Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to 20 square, because if I put this one gone here, this one we have 1 plus 20 square and we change by cos t square. This one we have 20 square, and later that we simplify the square root in here and here. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have 220 cos t dt. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here. Ds we change by this one. This one that is about cos t square. So this one we have cos t, this one we have sin t. Now we have the formula in here. Cos t that is about e to the power of t plus e to the power of negative t over number 2. Sin t that is about e to the power of t minus e to the power of negative t over number 2. So this one I will put in here. This one I will put in here. This one gone here. And this one gone here. So this one minus this one. So we simplify and we have 2e to the power of negative t over number 2. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. So number 2 over number 2 and another number 2. This one that is about 1 over 2. I will put this one gone here. Now this one multiply by this one and we have e to the power of 2t minus e to the power of negative 2t. So this one we have e to the power of negative tb. So this one multiply by this one and this one, so we have like this. Now t and t we can do about factorization. So the integration of this one we have like this. Next, about t, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides and we have the square root of s equals to sin t, and we have t equal to arc sin of the square root of x. So I will put this one to change for t. So I will put the number gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.